Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. It is Tati, your natural nail guru, and today we're going to be going over OPI's new fall collection, Downtown LA. So OPI never fails. Every season they come out with colors, at least 12 to 15, and we already have our hands on the new fall colors that have already come out. So some of you may already have them, and for those that are thinking about what you need to get this fall, hopefully these swatches give you a little idea on whether or not any of these colors are going to fit what you're looking for. And as always, if you want to be up to date with the most thorough nail product reviews, get all the best tips on improving your natural nail health and improving the overall longevity of your manicures, then you know what to do. Hit that subscription button. Make sure you get your notifications on because lots of stuff you don't want to miss. Okay, let's not waste any more time and get to these swatches. So remember, there's three things that we're looking for. I'm looking for the overall consistency of the gel. Is it too thick, too thin? Essentially, is it really easy to polish with, or are we dealing with clumping and thinning running into the cuticle? Okay, so consistency, number one. Number two, we're looking at overall coverage. Are we getting the coverage that we expect within 2 coats, or does it require a little bit more? And third, but probably the most important, is whether or not we're getting a good match between our hands and feet. Most people like hands and feet matching, and when the colors are a little too far off, it kind of defeats the purpose. So I'm really looking forward to see how on point OPI is with their matching, because their last collection, Malibu, had a really great match. So expectations set high. Hopefully they don't disappoint. Let's get to it. All right, so let's get started with the first color, Pink on Canvas. This one looks like a mauve-y kind of, oh yeah, a mauve-y kind of pink. I don't know about you, but this actually kind of reminds me of like the pink from the 80s, where like the pink and gray was super popular. Everyone had their furniture pink and gray, and these fake flower decorations. I mean, at least down here in the 305, that was all the rage. Ooh, that's a pretty one. There you go, you could see it really good right there. That is super cute. I'm happy to see that it has really good coverage on the first coat, because you know OPI be tripping sometimes. Wow, that is cute. Okay, let's get the second coat on here. So here we go, 2 coats. This is a beautiful color. This is definitely a beautiful color. Such a great fall vibe. Loving it. Really cute. All right, let's move on to the next one. Ooh, this one I'm really excited to try. Graffiti Sweetie. Ooh, I love these little purples. Oh, that one is nice. It's like a gray purple. Look, let me tell you, you can never have too many tones of every color, because that's what's gonna help your clients, or help you specifically, get out of the box of the same 5 colors that you use. Because most people will say, oh, I don't like purples, or I don't like yellows. Because wherever they go, there's only like 1 or 2 purple or yellows, maybe 3, maybe 4, but there's so many different shades. You need them, all of them. And you'll find the right purple. Wow, this is so pretty. I need to do something with this. You guys are gonna see something with this on my nails. All right, let's get the second coat on here. So here we go, 2 coats, a beautiful purple color. Look at that. Man, that is really nice. Oh, I love it. And the coverage is really good. 2 coats, really nice and soft. It is possible maybe if you have a really uneven or blotchy, like spotted kind of like surface, it is possible that you might have a little shadowing and could use a 3rd coat, but it's looking pretty good. Let's check out the next one. All right, this one looks like a deeper purple. This one is OPI DTLA, Downtown LA. Oh, OPI loves Downtown LA. That's cute. All right, wasn't too difficult for me to get. Oh, yes. Wow, this is, if you are an OPI fan and know your OPI colors, just think Les is Norse and Susie is the Arctic Fox, but like a little bit lighter. If those 2 colors had a baby, this is the color that they would have. Wow, let me tell you, the last one that we just did, the purple one and this one, these are going to be hot colors. I can tell you right now. Now the coverage on this first coat looks a little bit light, even with my finger behind, because it is a clear nail, so you'll see through. But even with my finger behind, I can kind of still see a little blotchiness. So we might need a 3rd coat, but we'll see how it looks with 2. Okay, so here we go, 2 coats. I got a little bit of the other nail stuck on there. Sorry about that. 2 coats. Let me see if you can. I see a little bit, maybe because with my lighting, I could see a little bit more, but I see a little bit of shadowing. So this one, it's possible that for some people a 3rd coat will be necessary, but pretty good coverage. Consistency, pretty good. We're liking it. Let's check out the next one. Ooh, this one's a glittery one. So this one is Angel's Flight to Starry Nights. It's a blue glittery, it's like a silver glitter. Silver and blue, actually. I definitely see some blue speckles in there. Ooh, the coverage on this first coat is definitely really nice. That is a cute glitter, definitely cute for accent nails. It's a little heavy as a top coat, but if you're putting it over a darker blue, like a little bit of a darker shade than this one, you could totally make a really nice accent nail with this as a top coat as well. Let's get this second coat on here. Here we go, 2 coats. This one is really cute, super cute glitter, definitely very frosty, giving me winter vibes for sure. But it is super cute. All right, let's check out the next one. Okay, so here we have another glitter polish. This one is metallic composition. This one definitely looks like a dusty rose with a gold glitter. Let's see. Oh, it is a dusty rose with like a champagne glitter. It's cute. I like it. I like it. All right, first coat, it's looking really soft. So this could also be a really nice top coat, maybe like on a cream color or any of the pinks that you like to give it kind of like that rose gold feel, a little more intense, but definitely thin enough to where you can use this as a top coat and make a pretty cool color. Let's get a second coat on this. All right, so here we go, 2 coats, really nice coverage, super glittery. This one is really nice. Rose gold goes with anything, and this is definitely rose gold vibes. Great for accent nails and great for anyone who just wants to be extra sparkly. I'm sorry I'm moving so much. This camera, you know, I just upgraded to the 12 Pro Max, and this camera autofocus is, I gotta play with the settings. All right, let's check out the next one. Ooh, we got a brown, Espresso Your Inner Self. That's a cute name. Let me tell you, browns and creams were super in this summer as part of OPI's collection. That's a cute brown. Nudes are always really nice, and it's nice to see people using nudes for seasons other than fall and Christmas. Well, nudes and brown tones. That one is cute. It's like Willy Wonka chocolate. Let's check out the second coat. Here we go, 2 coats, really nice coverage. I don't really see too much shadowing, so I really don't think anyone will need a third coat on this one, but a super cute color. Let me tell you, if you are cautious when using really deep nudes, beige, tans, and deep browns, include them with other soft colors, bright colors. You'd be surprised how cute it would look. Incorporating browns with other colors. Great way to kind of settle your way into it and try it out. But this one's a cute one. Let's check out the next one. Ooh, right now we got a nice bright red. Art Walk in Susie's Shoes. They always use Susie. What's up, Susie? How you doing, Susie? Oh yeah, that one has like it's a red-orange vibe. Oh, you can see it really good there. That's totally like a red-orange, really nice, bright. Let's see coverage. All right, this one is definitely got that like glass look on the first coat. Yeah, putting my finger under it, you could totally still see through, see the lines under the nail. Super cute color, probably gonna need a third coat, but let's get it done. Okay, so here we go. I put 2 coats. It actually looks really good with 2 coats, but it is still a little bit soft, so it's possible that you will need a third coat for some nail plates, more than likely, but really, really cute red and super bright. Love seeing that for the fall. All right, so this color is 7th and Flower. This one's looking like I gotta figure out, is this like a magenta or a fuchsia? I feel like that's magenta and fuchsia is like more pink. I don't know, I'll look it up. I'll make sure I'm describing it right. This one's really, really nice though. I love these deep colors. Definitely has the What's the Hatter with You vibes. Okay, you can totally see that this one, come on, focus. This one definitely is a little sheer, just like the red on the first coat. So likely need a third coat, a really, really pretty color. Let's see how vibrant it is with the other coat. All right, so here we go, 2 coats. You can definitely still see that it's a little bit soft. So it is possible that you will need another coat on this one. All right, let's check out the next one. All right, here we have this lovely purple, Violet Visionary. Such a good name. Let's check you out. Nice deep purple. Nothing crazy new about this color. And the same, first coat's looking a little soft. There you go, first coat. Let's get this one done. Cute color. I mean, there's nothing really special about it, but it's cute. Let's check out the next coat. Okay, so here we go, purple. You can definitely see a little bit of softness around the edges. So 3 coats again will likely be necessary. Cute color. Let's go on to the next one. All right, this one, My Studios on Spring. Now I'm really excited to swatch this green because look at this, that looks cute. That's a cute color. Oh yes, very nice. It does look a little soft on the first coat, like the other ones. But it's still looking like a cute color. That one's really cute. Super soft on the first coat. Definitely will probably need a third again, but let's finish this one up and check it out. Okay, so here we go, super cute green. I definitely needed to do a third coat, and I got the coverage that you would expect from such a beautiful, deep, rich color. That one is really, really cute. All right, let's check out the next one. We got 2 more. Okay, this one is Isn't It Grand Avenue, looking like a deep blue. Oh yes, very deep, very deep, very dark. Very sheer on that first coat. Let me tell you, biggest pet peeve is when you see a color that's supposed to be a cream, just rich, vibrant color, and it's so soft. All right, so, I mean, it definitely looks better on camera than it is in person. I wish you guys could see how soft that one really is. Still a cute color. Let's finish it up and see what it really looks like. Okay, so here we go. 3 coats is definitely necessary. I didn't do it on this one, but it is super blotchy. So 3 coats for sure, but it is a really nice deep blue. Gives you like those Linkin Park After Dark vibes where it's so dark that some people might think it's almost black. Really cute. Let's go on to the last color, yay. Okay, so here we have Abstract After Dark. This one's looking like a fun glitter. It's a very, very fine glitter. It looks like a deep purple, and the glitter inside is definitely pink and blue. Yeah, it looks like a little fuchsia and blue. There I go with the fuchsia magentas. Super cute. That's a very lovely shade of purple. You can barely see the shimmer in it. It is so fine. And now it is super sheer. Yeah, you can totally see behind that. Super, super sheer. So we'll probably need 3 coats, but it's a really, really pretty glitter. It's super subtle. Let's finish this one up. Okay, so here we go. This is actually 2 coats. The second coat tightened it up real good, but I still see some softening, a little bit of blotchiness in the center where it starts kind of separating because, you know, gravity. But it is a super cute. You can definitely use this as a top coat over a deep blue, any kind of deep purples, over a black polish to give it that little shimmery effect, which is really, really nice, but super cute. We're not done yet. We need to check the third and final, and that is whether or not hands and feet have a good match. So top row, we have the gels we just swatched. Bottom row, we have regular polish that I previously swatched. And let's check them out. So we're having pretty good matches on these first few. Now you can tell that the toes are a little bit darker on some. That is very common. Toes, regular polish just tends to dry a little bit darker. So that's really not a big deal, but I'm really happy to see that those reds match because I was a little concerned about the reds. The glitters are always usually something that is off. Now you could tell a little difference in the texture of the gold, rose gold polish, but it's not too far off and the color is really on point. Really, really nice. These vibrant colors also match really well, more fall tones. You can definitely see the blue and the dark blue glitter. Both of these 2 right here are definitely much darker. Now this one is really darker. It looks more like black blue rather than purple on the hands, but it's not a huge, I guess, big thing. between your hands and feet. You might not notice from that distance. But overall, really, really nice. The hands and feet are matching really good. All right, so here we go. A final look at the full OPI Downtown LA collection. 12 colors, really, really nice. They do look really nice together. I like that there's different tones. But we have one more thing to see, and that's how these colors look matte. So, reveal, boom, boom, boom. Pretty, pretty nice. I actually like matting out the glitter, just so you guys can see what it looks like, because it kind of looks almost like a textured nail. Could be really cool for like an accent nail or like French tips with like a matte French tip and a glossy base, but that's just me. That one looks pretty cool. Let me know which one you guys prefer, the matte look, very fall, or do we like glossy? Or maybe we like both. I like both. All right, there you go. So there we have it, a really nice collection from OPI, 12 colors, Downtown LA. I think a really nice transition from summer into fall. Overall, the colors are really nice, great match. They look really good in matte. Might need a third coat, but that's not a big deal. We can work with that. But definitely let me know what you guys think. Do you like it matte, glossy, a little bit of both? And whether or not you like this collection, is it getting you excited at all? But I definitely have more swatches that are gonna be coming up now that fall is approaching, lots more product reviews. So make sure you subscribe, notify, don't miss it. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Bye.